Look at what I just got gifted. A wonderful assortment of Cricut die cuts. Let's go into this. Fantastic. I got these from a church friend who had a friend that for whatever reason had all these amazing Cricut die cuts and was getting rid of them. But anyway, this is just amazing. Let me go ahead and get everything out. I love these photo boxes. Let's get started. Oh my goodness, London Bridge is falling down. Let's start with a couple of the ones from my thumbnail. These are some dinosaurs. When I saw these, I said, oh, I know some birthday cards and kids that will love their dinosaurs. And here's some sweet little birds. Great spring cards. Here's some grass. My thought was Easter cards because I have used grass in those before. This looks like a lot of fun. I can make quilting patterns with these. You name it, there's a pattern for it. How fun. And let's see what these are. It looks like turkeys that weren't quite finished yet. Okay. I can certainly finish those. Yeah, something like that, I think. There's a bunch of them. This is a cute sentiment. Thanks a bunch. Cute. Oh, and more dinosaurs. Oh my goodness. Adorable. I'll make some cute birthday cards. And what are these? This is really interesting. Tiny little mountain formations, maybe, that you can use in a background. Cool. Oh, wow. And here's another dinosaur. Cool. Wow. Now, this one I've looked at, and it's pretty amazing because there's several little baggies full of goodies. This person's been pretty busy. Here's a cool little volcano. Nice. And some more rock formations, I think. Nice. Great backgrounds. And here is looks like a volcano. Some more rock formations. I think it'll be great for like a camping card. Got a camper in your family. Some more background rocks. And some more background rocks. They would make a great combination, several of them in one card. I don't even know if it's going to fit. I might have to divide it up. And let's go. Oh, here's some cute things. Very colorful. Little clouds. Adorable. Bunch of clouds. Oh my goodness. These will make like spring, early spring when it's still raining. And what are these? I'm not sure what these are. Oh, okay. These look like little Valentine's Day maybe clouds. Cute. And here's something that looks like it could go along with the dinosaurs. Look at all these cool leaves. Kind of tropical. Or a card for Hawaii. Any kind of island card. That would look cute. Oh, and here's some more island type goodies. Look at all these palm trees. Wow. And different colors too. You got your grayish green, got your dark green, and your light green. Oh, the cute little bears. Oh, how adorable. Little panda bears. Oh my goodness. And this is really cool. This is something I could use for Easter. But they weren't completed. Maybe, let's see. I'll have to figure it out. But yeah, let's see. I think these could go on the front of these. Maybe. And we've got some words in here too, looks like. Oh, we've got some pink doves and some greenery. And let me look at these words. Chosen, let's see. Use risen, no. I'm not sure what the words say. Indeed. Oh, okay. I think it's he is risen indeed, something to that effect. Yes, he's risen. Risen indeed. There might be a has in there somewhere. He is risen indeed. There's an is in here somewhere, I'm sure. I'm not sure. Is that it is? That looks more like an if. You can figure it out, let me know. So that would be for Easter. Ooh, lots of butterflies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tons of butterflies. Oh, wow. I've got a bunch of these. Nice. And I love butterflies, of course. Whole big set of them. And not sure, let's see. Happy Easter. Yeah, I could cut these down and use those for maybe front sentiment pieces. Yeah, beautiful. And they look, the flowers are all colored in already. You can see how shiny they are. Yeah. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. All these goodies. I may not be able to use them all up. These are absolutely amazing. Yes, I will be making cards with these. A lot. I'm going to be able to make a lot of cards with these. So stay tuned. I think I'm going to make some birthday cards first with those dinosaurs. How fun is that? But thank you so much for joining me as I reveal all these wonderful, fun Cricut die cuts. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.